what's up, guys? Today topic virtual rooms of the real estate. So, guys, I'm always talking virtual data related content. So, everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my channel topic virtual data room of real estate, the aesthetic variety. So, everyone, I am always talking virtual data related content. So, virtual data room of real estate. So this virtual data, this Aumili company and this BMP company others. So this is USA. So everyone, now I am talking this some ads is বিরক্ত করে. So I might. So that's everyone. So, sorry, mistake talk. I am কথা বলছি. So so I am now Mark. So that's everyone. Listen to my video and very benefit your life. So that everyone. So this girl is very cute. So real is this Martinez. Broadly have record growth level that are remittance of the global friendly and in 2017. So everyone, I hope this all cares on my video. So this food is very nice. I am always food making. I am food খাইতে চাই. So everyone, this is talk others. This is Robbaning always paint this tree cutting his chacha. So everyone here chacha very bad man. Say he need virtual data. Virtual data tab. So real cassette Monir Khan and Asif Sarkar. So this is Khairul Islam Rashtrapati Padaprathi. So that's a virtual data need and technology environments made possible performance Rocky by. So that's the EUG virtual data room. Everyone, I'm always talking virtual data related. But I need is lot of money. Please fast work, brother, not delay work. So I am this is and Nigal oil and this Nigal oil earning and organic through earning YouTube. So I am always cost making advanced organization and access control. they are dataless and this fact and this access control. This is the very best and this is 2022. So everyone, virtual data relationship this Aumili and BMP. So everyone, this video into new video coming song not song hobe song. So everyone, now goodbye, tata. Let's now again first video. So this is ad is very bad. Goodbye.